Ya tengo hambre. Yo pensé que íbamos a dar una horita.
Ajá, pero que es que se han demorado mucho.
No, porque al principio tuvimos inconvenientes con la...
La conexión.
Ajá,
Yo no sé ni cuál será mi futuro con esa. Yo le dije, oye, si no logras yo una cosa.
Ajá, él mejor.
Ahorita, mija, ojalá que tuviera yo una salada la teatral gallo.
¿Ah? Ok. Okay, who's next? Rosa and Walter. Cristina, who are you working with? Where is Cristina? I don't see Cristina. Danny, are you gonna do it alone or with Ami? Ah, okay, better for me.
Teacher,
Yes.
Lady se quedó sin datos.
Ay, me da una tristeza cuando me dicen eso. O sea, que estaba gastando los datos.
La mayoría está con datos.
Ay, no puedo creerlo, pelado. Entonces vamos a acabar pronto. Mire, entonces vamos a acabar con Amy y con Dani. Y entonces los demás me envían un videito si pueden. Si pueden hacerlo.
Creo que es que como también tenemos también videos y eso en comunicación oral, entonces no sé si nos envían los audios, es más fácil que se los
Está
manden.
bueno, un audio, vale, en el audio. Está bien, en el audio. Thank you so much, Meli. En el audio. Entonces terminamos con Amy y Dani, ¿vale? Ok, ready, set, go.
Mami, tú eres la chef. Hi. Hi. Try this pizza. I like it. It's my favorite. And it has pineapple. Really? So I do. So do I. Oh, well. Now, try this French fries. I like it so much too. Oh, sorry. I don't like it very much. No problem. Do you like the healthy food? I always eat healthy food. Yes, I do it too. Finally, try this pasta. Okay, Italian food. Italian food. Italian food is delicious, okay? All right, so do I. Thank you so much for coming, Daniela. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, guys, thank you. Uh, Guys, for now, we are going to finish with the class. The rest of you can send me the audio through WhatsApp, okay? And I get it. I'm going to upload a homework for this coming Thursday, okay? We are going to have a debate about wet market in China. Do you know what is it about? Nope. Wet market in China. So where you're going to, I am going to give you the instructions later through Google Classroom, okay? It's the only homework we have. We are going to have a discussion about it the next Thursday. And I hope to see you from 10 to 12 the coming Thursday, okay? Thank you so much for coming and for you are working really hard on this and you are taking your time and also your data. Anyways, so see you later, alligator. Goodbye. Thank you so much.